Alright, just going to stop the video there for a second. So this video is going to be all over the joint. A lot of filming here and there and everywhere. Then I've just thrown it in all different places. It is in order to a point, but not order. But I still hope you guys enjoy it, because at the moment I'm loving this build so far and wanted to share it all with you. Thanks. Enjoy the video. Hey everyone, welcome back. I know, a bit of a sad and good video at the same time. So it's finally time to remove the half canopy that I built many years ago, and we're going to upgrade to a lot bigger of a canopy. So basically now I've just got to pull the whole thing apart. Like, we've had the rooftop up here, worked to a point, the welds at the back here kept blowing out. Gerard and I discussed about, you know, how about we set it up so we can really live out of it, a lot more space and stuff. But yeah, keep tuned. We're going to pull this bad boy apart now, and the new one's meant to rock up next week. So canopy's all off now, rear bar's off, headboard's off. Gonna have to rebuild new headboard because we've put a water tank in it, and change up everything. Possibly going to strip all the Raptor off, not 100% with it. But yeah. Canopy's just rocked up. There we go, she's up on the stands. Just did all the measurements and stuff. Now gonna head inside, start drawing down measurements and plans and everything for the drawer setup and the kitchen setup. So stay tuned. We'll start folding up everything soon. Okay, so let's get this tray build underway. First job off the board will be the headboard. I've drawn it up, got all measurements. So let's see if we can get it to look like that. We're actually going to reuse a lot of the old stuff from the old headboard and the ladder rack, I guess you call it. But yeah, good job. Let's go. So I got some timber to try and find the angles. Finally found it. Many attempts to get it. But yeah, finally got it. Thank God. It is that time of the build where we start welding. First weld down. See if we're going to be shit for the rest of them, or I've actually finally mastered it. So the outer frame of the headboard's been all welded up. I am over the moon with how these welds came out. I've been doing a lot of practice. Still got to do all the cross members and stuff in the middle, deciding what thickness to go. But stay tuned. There we go. The outer frame of the headboard's done. Gotta wait for a few more things to rock up, and then we can paint it and stuff. Gotta decide what else we're gonna do. So today we've moved the mud flats back so 33s don't scrape. The only problem is now the toolbox that I had here originally doesn't fit, so I'm thinking I might cut that down a bit smaller and remake it or something. I haven't really thought that far ahead yet. But yeah, we'll sort it out shortly.
The next day.
Hey, welcome back. It is prep day and potentially paint day. So tray's all off, and Glenn's been helping me out. Also, headboard's all done. We've got the sheet metal in there, and the best thing is the water tank's rocked up from Dun & Watson. Thanks to my awesome girlfriend for ordering it for me. She is legendary. Headboard's on, just got to bolt it on now. We just sat it in place for the time being. There you go, tray's all ready. Just got to sand the bog back down, all the holes from Big's old stuff. Still a bit wet, so we'll leave that. Yeah, look at it, Harrison's coming up good. Smicko, Reggie's had enough, hasn't he? And headboard's nice and strong. Might chuck some primer on this today and then a Raptor tomorrow. Yo! Canopy doors are all off and everything. They're over there. Cleaned over there, put in the tray, everything else together. Right, let's start prepping this, sanding it down, and get it ready for paint. It is day to paint the tray. So we've got the underbody tray toolboxes doors there. So they're going to go colour coded Raptor to the cab. So it's going to be the silver. And then we've got the tray over here. That's Canopy. He's not getting done yet today. Tray's over here. He's just going to go straight black. Go prime it all first. Let's get into it. Choo. Just ran out of primer. Had to shoot in the Repco to get some primer. Let's finish off doing the rest of it. Okay, it is time to put the first coat of the Raptor. So we're tinting all the doors on the Canopy and the under tray toolboxes. I've actually never done this. Jacob did it on his Troopy, which is unfortunately out of action because of a lot of things. But he did his nice. I'm going to tint mine the same colour as the cab. So it is Nissan D, what is it? Let's go. K23, the 2020 model. So they went down to the guys at Tofton Co, thanks to Jacob's dad. He's a legend. And they actually recommend putting 200 mils of colour in instead of 100 mils to get a brighter colour. So I'm going to give this a whirl. Fingers crossed she works. Bit nervous, but hey, got to do it at the end of the day. Sure. I'm over the moon with how this Raptor's come out, this colour. Looks amazing. Put 2 coats on so far. Let dry. I'm going to let dry a little bit longer, then we'll put a 3rd coat on. But yeah, have a look at this. Time to start doing the tray. We're doing straight black. Let's get into it. Choo!
The following Thursday.
Water tanks all mounted up now. Just go wait till Flynn to plumb that all up. Went down the races this morning, pick up all the parts we needed, thanks to the legends down there. And the first on trade toolbox is done. Oh, look at that. Getting there, nearly done.
Hey guys, so now it's Flynn here. We're going to be doing the water tank for Ryan, plumbing it all up, which is where I come in. So basically this is the water tank all in. This is our outlet that we're going to have that runs down here. And then down here, and then all across those rails all the way back to the back there, and then we're going to shoot it across through there, that where the pump is going to be hidden. And then we've got a little drain over on this side, just if you ever want to drain the tank, your inlet and your breather. So we've got some fittings this morning and some hose that we're going to be using. So yeah guys, we'll keep you guys updated on the way. We're just going to be coming along here, just straight out here on an angle and running down there. We've got the new Patrol's awning out, just giving them. So yeah guys, that's the pump all mounted in, all the fittings on it, and so that's where we're coming through, but it's just, we're going to extend that a little bit as underneath. We're just waiting until we get a bung so we can put it in there so it protects the pipe, and then we'll just tuck the 90 out a little bit and just come straight into this fitting here. So I'll give you guys a look at what we've done. We've done this. We've just basically dropped straight down a little 45 bend on the end of the pipe to a elbow. That goes to a fitting back to the pipe, and then elbows, and then we just ran it all the way along there. And we're just going to fix that loop up there tomorrow. We just got to extend that bit there, as we didn't know where we were going to have the pump, so we just stuck a little bit through for now. So basically all we did was just have a little barb fitting, and we put a hose clamp on it to just make it tight. So that's all the pump done pretty much. We just got to do that little section there tomorrow once we get that bung for the hole, so it doesn't scratch the pipe and then cut it. So yeah, we'll get into it tomorrow guys. That's it.
And the tray toolboxes are on. Flynn's been a legend. Look, the GQ is actually doing some help for once. Look at this legend. He's just about finished plumbing up with the tank and pump and everything. Oh, he's done himself pretty damn good today. He deserves a beer, I reckon. Thanks, Wedge. The tray is on and everything. Just gotta hold it back down, wire everything back up. The supervisor is chilling out. Hasn't done much, but he's claiming he has. Yeah, over the moon with this turnout. Water tank's in too. Shoo. Alright, tank's all in, pump's all done, plumbing's all done. Went down to Bunnings to pick up a cheap hose. Let's test it out, see how this pump and stuff goes. Jack's here to help. looks like a tree. Final thing for the tray builders rocked up, thanks to the legends at Outback Bandits. Look at these. Cool. Custom mud flaps to go on the tray. I can see myself in the reflection. That won't stay shiny forever, but yeah. Alright, let's go fit these bad boys, get rid of those old ones, because you know, these rocked up tray builds just about done. So much better. So I'm gonna go chuck the roof topper on the canopy. Hopefully it's not too terrible. It is quite bad to actually fit. We'll work it out. Alright, rooftop is on and it is time to throw it on the cup. And then we'll throw the awning on, put all the clamps on and everything. So, let's go. Alright, canopy's on, clamps have all been done. Awning brackets are on, they've been raptored and everything. Time to put the awning on. Rage is about to put his new awning on as well. Yo, look at that. Woo. Looking schmicko. Voila, awning is on. We're still running the King's 270 freestanding. Nothing wrong with it at all. And we've still got the X-Camp CX 2000. Great thing. Just had to upgrade the mattress, but thanks Mum and Dad down at Clock River for helping us there. Look at that. Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed that video of me building the tray. Now it's time to fit out the 12 volt and the kitchen and drawer setup. Stay tuned, another video coming out soon. Cheers! Don't forget to like and subscribe and let your mates know what we're up to, because we love making these videos for you.